If you've been searching for faceless affiliate marketing in 2026 and wondering whether it's actually possible to make money online without showing your face, without recording your voice, without expensive ads, and without becoming some social media influencer, this video is exactly for you. Because right now there are regular people building affiliate income using AI tools, faceless videos, YouTube Shorts, TikTok content, Instagram Reels, and automated systems without ever stepping in front of a camera. And honestly, this is one of the biggest online opportunities for beginners right now, because the internet has changed completely. You no longer need a website, a blog, professional editing skills, or expensive software to get started. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through how faceless affiliate marketing works in 2026, how beginners are getting started, and the exact business-in-a-box system people are using to shortcut the learning curve. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'm also going to explain how the automation works, how the AI tools work, and how complete beginners are creating content consistently without burnout. Now, really quickly before we continue, if you want instant access to the exact system and tools I'm talking about in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below. That's where you can get instant access and see everything for yourself. And also subscribe right now, because on this channel I post videos about affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless YouTube channels, online side hustles, and beginner-friendly make money online strategies for 2026. Now let's get into it. So first of all, what exactly is faceless affiliate marketing? Faceless affiliate marketing simply means promoting products online without using your identity, your face, or your personal brand. Instead of becoming an influencer, you're using faceless videos, AI-generated content, short-form reels, text animations, slideshows, screen recordings, or viral-style clips to drive traffic online. Then you add affiliate links. When people buy through your links, you earn commissions. Simple. And the reason this is exploding right now is because short-form content completely dominates social media attention. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. All these platforms reward content creators who post consistently. And the crazy part is many faceless pages are outperforming personal brands. Why? Because people care more about entertainment, information, curiosity, and solutions than they do about who is actually posting. That's why faceless affiliate marketing has become such a massive opportunity in 2026. Now, one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is thinking they need to create content from scratch every single day. That's where most people quit. Editing takes time. Writing hooks takes time. Finding ideas takes time. But the system I'm showing in this video solves that problem. Inside the platform, there's access to over 100,000 ready-to-post faceless reels. That means beginners can literally start posting content almost immediately. You can customize the videos if you want, add captions, tweak hooks, add affiliate links, and start building traffic without complicated editing. That's one of the reasons I think this model is beginner-friendly. Now, if you want access to the same faceless Reels library and AI tools I'm talking about, check the link in the pinned comment below, because that's where you can get instant access today. Now, another feature I think is extremely important is the AI viral hook and script generator. This changes everything for beginners because hooks are the difference between videos that flop and videos that get views. Think about it. Every time someone scrolls social media, you only have a few seconds to capture attention. That's why your hooks matter so much. Inside this system, AI helps generate viral hooks, captions, scripts, video ideas, and even content angles. So instead of staring at a blank screen trying to figure out what to post, beginners can use AI assistance to speed up the process dramatically. And honestly, AI is becoming one of the biggest advantages in affiliate marketing right now. The people using AI tools are creating content faster than ever before. That's why 2026 is probably one of the easiest times for beginners to start faceless affiliate marketing compared to previous years. Now let's talk about commissions because obviously that's what most people care about. The process itself is actually simple. You post content, people click your links, sales happen, you earn commissions. Some offers inside this model can pay around $200 per sale, depending on the offer structure. And here's the important part. You do not need millions of followers. A lot of people think they need huge audiences before they can make money online. That's not true. You need targeted attention. Even smaller creators can generate commissions if their content reaches the right audience consistently. That's why search-based content and short-form content are so powerful right now. Now, another reason this business model works well is because it removes many traditional barriers. No inventory, no shipping, no customer support, no employees, no websites, no complicated coding. That's why so many people are moving toward affiliate marketing and faceless content in 2026, especially beginners. Now, another thing I really like inside the system is the automation. There are done-for-you email swipe templates already included. And this matters because most people don't buy immediately. Usually people need multiple exposures before making a decision. That's why follow-up is critical. With automated email sequences already written for you, beginners can save a massive amount of time while improving conversions. Now, if this video is helping you understand faceless affiliate marketing better, hit the like button because it helps push this video to more people trying to learn affiliate marketing in 2026. And again, subscribe because I'm going to continue posting tutorials on faceless YouTube channels, affiliate marketing, AI content creation, YouTube short strategies, and beginner-friendly online income methods. Now let's talk about daily workflow because honestly, this is where people overcomplicate everything. Most beginners think they need to work 12 hours a day online. You really don't. A simple workflow could look like this. Log into the dashboard, grab a few pieces of content, generate hooks or captions with AI, post across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. Add affiliate links, reply to comments, repeat consistently. That's it. One of the smartest things you can do is repost the same content across multiple platforms. One video can potentially generate views from 4 or 5 different traffic sources. That means more reach without creating more work. And because faceless content can be automated easier than personal branding content, scaling becomes much simpler. Now, another huge benefit is privacy. A lot of people want to make money online, but don't want friends, coworkers, or family members constantly watching their content. Faceless affiliate marketing solves that problem. You can build pages around themes, niches, motivation, AI content, business clips, finance, quotes, tutorials, or viral style edits without attaching your identity. That's one reason faceless pages are exploding right now. Now, obviously, consistency still matters. This is not some magic overnight success button. But compared to traditional online businesses, this is definitely one of the lower barrier opportunities available in 2026. And honestly, most people fail simply because they never start. They overthink, they keep watching videos, they keep researching, but they never take action. Meanwhile, other people are learning by doing and building momentum. That's why I always tell beginners, focus on progress, not perfection. Your first videos won't be perfect. Your first posts won't be perfect. That's normal, but consistency improves everything. Now, another cool thing about this model is that you can literally run most of it from your phone. You don't need expensive setups. You don't need some crazy studio. A lot of creators are uploading content directly from their phones while working regular jobs. That's why this side hustle has become so attractive for beginners. Now, if you're serious about starting faceless affiliate marketing in 2026 and you want access to the exact business-in-a-box system, AI tools, faceless Reels library, dashboards, training, landing pages, email swipes, and automation tools mentioned in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below right now and get instant access. And once you get inside, leave a comment below this video and let me know, because I try to help as many beginners as possible get moving in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more affiliate marketing tutorials, AI content strategies, faceless channel tips, and make money online videos for beginners. And I'll see you in the next video.